How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can unrestrict on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now normally if you restricted someone on the Messenger app over here, right, you just go ahead and restrict them. What do you do if you want to unrestrict them? Well, to find the unrestricted people, it is very simple as well, but it is a little bit tricky. You have to just tap the three lines option from the top left. Normally you might go to archive and message request and you won't find the person you've restricted. Well, to find the person you've restricted, you have to go to the gear icon instead, as you can find it here. Once you come to the settings option, which is the gear icon, over here you'll find this option known as privacy and safety. You can just tap on this privacy and safety option. When you come to privacy and safety, right over here you'll find this option known as restricted accounts. So all you have to do is tap on restricted accounts option, and here you'll be able to see the accounts that you have restricted. To unrestrict them, you can just go ahead and long press on it maybe, or you can just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, tap on unrestricted option and the chat will be moved back to your home screen again. This way you can unrestrict on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.